In last session, we learned about the basic interface of the Civil 3D, and in this tutorial we will learn about the settings of the Civil 3D drawings. So let's start. You can choose your drawings in the three ways. First, you type NEW, enter. You will get a pop-up and you have the two options, imperial and matrix. You can choose either imperial or metric, whatever you are working in feet and inches. That time you have to select the imperial, and if you're working in your drawings in meters and millimeters, you have to choose the matrix options. I cancel this. And the second way to select your drawings template, go to the application menu and click on the new. That time you will get the same pop-up as you seen in the last. And the third one is, this is the plus icon, and you keep your mouse on these plus icons and press the right button and select the new. That time you can select your template. But I like to choose my new templates from the application menus and go to the new and select the matrix, then open. So this is I close the else windows. So first of all, I enter the UN and see this like this top up and the length. So we have to set some units like decimal, architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. If you are working in your drawings in the feet and inches, that time you can choose architecturals and the engineerings. But if you are working in the millimeters and the meters, that time you have to choose the decimals, and the precisions may be 0.00 or 0.000. Because we get the data from the survey, it does in 0.00 or 0.30. So I like to choose the 3-digit or 2-digit. So type the decimals and the precisions. This is the same, and you can choose the units to scale instead the contact like centimeters, millimeters, and the meters. So I choose meters and OK. So this is our the first step. So I can save as my files, Control Shift as. This is the first method to save as my drawings in a name, and I cancel this, or I go to the application menu and select the save as and give the names to my drawings. So I can give either names whatever you like. So I put only 22 numbers, and this is the place of desktop. So I save this, so my second settings will be done. And the third one is, this is the prospectus, and beneath this, below this, the settings. So you go to the drawings name and select the drawing name and press the right button of your mouse and edit drawing settings. And here is some settings which has been done by us. So drawing units, because we set the units in meters, so I select meters, and the degree should be here, angular units, our degree. And imperial to metric units, international foot, it should be, because if you are working in a US survey, that means you have to choose this, otherwise you have to internationals. Here is the scales. You can choose your scales according to your drawings. 1000 is custom scale, and the most important, the categories, datum select. So if you're working in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Middle East, or otherwise, so you have to choose your datum. So you can choose your datums like the Brazil, Bulgaria, China, Chile, India, otherwise anything. And available coordinate systems here, and it be select after that if you select your datum. So I go to India, and I can find our available coordinates, because every drawing available coordinate system is vary, because the Google Earth data will be divided into the coordinates and the zone. So because if you have a coordinate system code. That means you put your system codes like that. I have an code, so UTM 84 and 38 N. So you can see the whole columns will be filled if you put your system codes. That times you can apply. And I would like to show you, because I would like to show you the geo. If you select this, the drawing settings, that times you will see the geolocations will be on, otherwise no. So I press OK, and you see the geolocations, and you can on your Google Earth image in the background of this. Okay, so I go to once again edit drawing settings, and we will not talk about the transformations. I will not talk about the object layers, because you can see the layers, modify values and lock and abbreviation. This is the short names of your left and right, so I will not tell about that. But the ambient settings, that means you can find out the all details about your drawings. So general and the degree of the curvatures, labeling, time, utilities, etc. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.